based on the latest updates from November 2025. Here are the specific details regarding the Board of Peace proposal and the timeline for international troop deployment. 1. The Board of Peace (BOP). The Board of Peace is the central body designated by UN Security Council Resolution 2803, adopted 17 November 2025, to act as the transitional sovereign authority in Gaza. Leadership: the board is chaired by US President Donald Trump, reflecting the US-led nature of the 20-point peace plan. Membership and guarantors: while a formal list of voting members remains fluid, the board operates in close consultation with guarantor nations who were original backers of the peace plan. This group reportedly includes Egypt, Qatar, the UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Jordan. Mandate: the board has a broad mandate to govern Gaza until at least the end of 2027. Its powers include overseeing the reconstruction of Gaza, managing funds and projects, directing the International Stabilization Force (ISF), managing the eventual handover of power to a reformed Palestinian Authority, supervising a Palestinian committee that will handle day-to-day municipal services, water, electricity, sanitation. 2. International Stabilization Force (ISF) deployment. The ISF is the military arm responsible for enforcing the peace, disarming factions, and maintaining security. Target deployment timeline: estimated start: US officials are currently aiming for deployment to begin in early 2026. Current status: deployment has not yet begun. Training for the force is pending, and funding mechanisms are still being finalized. Potential contributors: Indonesia has offered the largest contingent, pledging up to 20,000 peacekeepers. Reports suggest Indonesian and Azerbaijani troops could form the core of the force. France has committed a smaller unit of approximately 100 security personnel. Turkey has drafted a brigade (000) troops for deployment. However, this is a major point of friction. Israel has threatened to veto any Turkish participation due to political tensions. Pakistan is currently considering a request to contribute troops but has sought further clarity on the mandate before committing. Challenges: the primary hurdle is the Phase 2 condition that requires the disarmament of Hamas. Hamas has rejected this clause, raising fears that the ISF could be drawn into active combat immediately upon arrival. 3. Immediate development: New Gaza. While the BOP and ISF are still organizing, US-backed pilot project dubbed New Gaza is set to begin construction this week in Rafah. This project aims to build rapid housing compounds east of the Yellow Line, the IDF withdrawal line, to shelter displaced civilians before winter fully sets in.